Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're having a closer look at the Japan Racing JR29. So the JR29 is available in diameters 15-inch all the way up to 19-inch, and then for widths 7-inch all the way up to 11 inches wide. As for PCDs, this is a double drilled Japan Racing wheel, so it means it's got 10 holes in the centre. But what that means is that it comes with 2 different PCDs on one wheel. So for example, it might have 5x100 and 5x112 PCDs. We can custom make these Japan Racing wheels for you, so that'll give you 5 holes instead of the 10, and to whatever PCD you require. So if you need like 5x105 or 5x110, we can do that for you with this wheel. As for colours, this is available in a huge range of colours. So the matte bronze, like you can see here, it's also available in white, purple, blacks, silvers, a huge range to suit your car. The JR29 is a really popular wheel. It's styled after a work wheel Ultimate Kiwami, but at a much cheaper price point. And that wheel is incredible. It's one of my favourite wheels. So being able to afford these wheels now gives you a lot more options for what you want to do with your car. These wheels look great on MX-5s and little 15-inch, all the way up to 19s on like 350Zs and bigger BMW E92. I think it's a great wheel that I can't picture any single car that these wouldn't look great on.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.